guys, Casper and Mantis here. As you can see, today I will be unboxing something. This beautiful headset we have in front. And this is my hand, also a hand reveal. Epic stuff. Yes, so I'm using my old microphone right now, but I will soon be using this one, the cool new glowy one. Yes, so I also have Mantis here, as you can see, and he's just going to be watching me unbox it as well. Okay, let's unbox it.
Yes.
Time to unbox it.
Floor reveal. Oof, tile reveal.
Here, let's take a look at the box first. So as you can see is the B780 gaming headset. It looks pretty sick. And it's also got like vibration and stuff, so it's a really cool headset. Let's get it open.
Shirt and pants reveal too.
Yes. And now if we open this.
Big day.
Look at this thing. Nice.
Ooh.
It's a big boy. Here's the top. Take out the top. Take it out. Oh shoot, this thing is big. Wow, this thing is huge. Look at this thing.
Oh wow.
It's bendy microphone boy.
Well, your ears aren't gonna get cold.
Yeah. It's so fluffy. Oh man. Oh wow, look at that. You put it on and then like it's just stretchy boy. Little stringies coming out. Wait, what is this like a disky boy? What does disky boy do, guys? It's a driver? What's a driver? No idea. Don't really care. Okay. Thanks again for shopping.
Your video and audio is like lagging really bad.
Well, that's too bad.
Okay, you froze.
Just as you were saying laggy, your audio was like laggy. Well, at least the audience can see it, you know? Alright guys, we had technical difficulties. Alright, I'm gonna keep doing this. So, we have it, and the little twisty boy on it. Let's twist it. He's so twisty. Be twisted.
Twisted.
Yes, it has been untwisted. Your pluggy boy, plug it into your brain. As you can see, he's nodding his head.
Haha, no thanks.
It's so epically epic. Let's put it on your head. Well, actually, look at these adjustments animations. Got the. What does this button do? That's a vibration on it, and then that's the lighting, and then that's the thingy, a volume, and then that's the microphone. That's mute button stuff. They smell like marshmallows. I'm just kidding. All right, let's put this thing on now. Time to unplug my previous headphones and my other microphone. Okay. Heat. Yay, it's unplugged now. So now I just gotta plug it back in. Whoa, this thing is huge. This thing is crazy. Okay. Plug this in. It feels so good. Wait a minute. Wait, say something. Wait, what?
I just fell out of my chair.
Wait, it's not working. Wait, it is working. Wait, can you hear me? Hey guys, Casper here. So, sorry about the audio in this clip. My PC was still getting used to the weird new microphone on it. So I hope it will be better in the future, and this audio quality is better. Don't you agree? Yes.
So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you guys very soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!